How to find Facebook page ID in Meta Business Suite. So as you can see, I've opened up my Facebook business page in Meta Business Suite. Now you want to click on this drop down menu, and then right next to this business account you will find this gear icon. Click on it and that should open up the settings of the account of your business account. So once you find the settings, you can simply click on business assets. And once you click on it, you are able to see all of your assets. Now go to the pages and you will find the page that your account is associated with. And now simply click on this page to find the page ID, and it is as simple as that. You have found the page ID. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more videos like this.